Yeah, I just finished what I'm gonna do for today. I got a lot of paint in there. Looks good. I got it all the way on the bottom. All up in there. All down there. All the tires, all the wheel wells, I mean. The guy at the paint shop, he told me to not get this paint on yourself. It's not gonna come off. Look at this. Look at the other here. My hand's sticking to the damn phone right now. Look at this. I hope that comes out. I hope all this comes out. But I'm done for the day. I did all the wheel wells. They all look the same. No need to show you the other side. In the bottom. That's all I'm doing for today. I gotta have somebody come pick this car up because I can't drive the car like this, especially with a white steering wheel, and I got paint all over me, so I'm not trying to get my seats with paint on it. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but I gotta I'm gonna wax the car probably later or tomorrow. It's a car show coming up. I want to at least drive through there on Sunday in Providence. Supposed to be there. It was posted on Facebook in Providence on Hawkins or Haskins Street. I don't know. But I'm gonna try to ride through there, trying to get the car looking a little better. So I'm gonna wax it up either later on or tomorrow. I'm gonna wax it, wash and wax. Top still messed up, but yeah, till tomorrow or later on, I'll cut yous back on. What up, guys? It's July 24th. There's a car show today in my old neighborhood in Providence, right on Broad Street, or right off of Broad Street. I think it's like Haskins or Hawkins Street. I don't know. I gotta check. But oh my God, look at this. Still, that paint is still on me. Look at under my arm. I did that Friday. It's Sunday, and I still can't get this off. But I'm gonna go by the it's early right now. It's only 11:43 in the morning. The show starts at 12, but I gotta go to work. I was gonna go to work and leave early, and then go to the car show, and then go back to work. But I'm just gonna go by there right now and see what's going on. It's a lot of noise back there. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I'm gonna ride by there right now. We'll see if there's any cars out there, and I'll turn you guys on when I get there. Yeah, I just went by there. It's right near the high school that I went to, Central and Classical, right over there behind in those little back streets over there. But there's only like 6 cars out there right now, so I'm gonna have to come back later. It's way too early. Right now it's 12 o'clock and the thing's supposed to start at 12. But I gotta go to work, man, so I'm gonna do at least 2 hours at work and leave and then go back to work, I guess. Get you guys some footage of these cars out here. Trying to get this YouTube channel going. But I'm gonna go to work, leave. I'll come back probably like 2 o'clock. I'll try to get here like 2. Yeah. Cut you guys back on when I get back to the car show. I'm pulling back up to the car show right now. It's 2:30 exactly. I hope there's a lot of cars here. I see. Let me turn this around. It's gonna be a lot of copyright music, so I'm gonna have to park right there. I'm gonna go around, but there's gonna be a lot of copyright music. So if you don't hear, I'm gonna have to probably mute this video while you guys watch it, because I don't need them taking down this video. Damn, I had the phone almost in my mouth. But yeah, I already hear music, so I'm gonna have to mute this video when I'm showing you guys the cars. Don't want the video getting taken down. I'm at a light right now. Turn you on as soon as I park the car. as I was walking through the car show, I don't know if you guys heard me talking or whatever, because I told you I'm gonna have to mute the video because there's copyright music. We don't really have stuff like that around here, and there wasn't that many cars, but I went and I showed you guys the cars that was there. I knew a couple people there. I knew the DJ franchise was there. He would look like he was just starting. Crab was up in there. I don't know the other dude's name, but I know him from the shop, coming to the shop and shit. There's another event going on right now. When I was on my way to work earlier, I tried to go through there, but they got the whole street locked down. It's the Puerto Rican festival. I'm gonna flip you guys over and see if you guys can see. It's right there, but it's like impossible. There's no parking. No parking over there, and let me try to get closer. My girl's actually there. I don't know if she's still there, but she was there. When I rode through there earlier, the cops were giving people tickets for trying to park. Well, for parking on the street. It would be good to go through there. Look at all the cars just waiting to get off the damn highway. It would be nice to go through there, but I gotta go back to work. I'm trying to get home sometimes tonight. I usually go to work on Sundays around 8 o'clock in the morning, but I went for like an hour and a half. I did a little bit. I gotta finish the rest. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff going on today. There wasn't really a lot of cars at the car show, but maybe they'll have another one, or maybe somebody else will have one. Like I said before, I don't know if you've heard me, because I might have to mute the video, but shout out Cadillac D's for throwing that car show. I hope more people throw car shows and they get bigger around here, so I could have more video footage for you guys. But stuff like that really don't have. We have car shows all the time, but they're for like the older dudes, like the muscle cars, and we don't really have car show for just big rim cars and music cars and stuff like that. But hopefully it will be that this car show will set it off, or let people know that they should throw car shows in Rhode Island, Providence, Rhode Island, the place where I'm from. Goes a Jeep right there. Yeah, it's crazy right now because the Puerto Rican festival, the cops is everywhere, trying to give everybody tickets for music and for people hanging out the windows like they used to do back in the day on Broad Street. That's about it. Going back to work.